Hello guys!
Hi.
This is Margaretha, my new classmate, roommate.
I'm Margaretha. I'm born in the Netherlands but I lived in Italy. And now I started here at a school.
And so today's video is gonna be a little bit different. I never recorded like proper clothes unboxing videos, like a clothing haul or whatever they call them, right? Our school actually requires us to buy proper TDV. We were required to do that before we actually get the real school uniform, and that's exactly what you can see behind us. We got like a suit, a proper suit that's in the black box here. It was a mandatory jacket, skirt, shirts, and some...
And the gilet.
Gilet?
And the scarf.
And the scarf. I'm actually looking forward to the scarf because I've seen people wearing their ties, but I haven't seen like the women version.
You know how hard it is to tie that up?
Then we also were required to have a kitchen uniform because we're having internship in the kitchen. And the hat for the...
That is the best part.
For the kitchen. I can't imagine myself wear something like that. But we're gonna dive into that in a moment. I'm actually looking forward to try everything out because for how much money we paid for it? How much was it? Like 600?
Almost like that, yes.
Yeah, 600 euros around that. And I thought they would measure us like properly.
And make it like really customized.
Really customized, but they just tried on our size. They're like, ah, that's good. And pick like extra large trousers for the kitchen so you don't like hurt yourself. That was basically it. Then it was like 5 minutes and then we went out. So I'm looking forward to see what we actually look like in that. So shall we start? This is how it looks like. Huge box. Wow. This is yours, right?
Yes.
That's my name. Wanna start with you? So we have 2 shirts. And that's the scarf. What? And those keychains. Oh, 2. I thought. Oh, maybe if we'll work like long shifts. And oh, hats. Also 2. Oh my god. It's like if one is dirty, you have another one to wear to rock the kitchen. Look at this. So ugly. And of course,
Really important.
cherry on top. Most important part, towels. 2 pens. So 2 pens. 2 of those tiny thingies. 2. Everything is 2. Like we can make our clothes dirty. And those are the shoes, guys. Ta-da! You thought you would have pretty shoes in the kitchen? No. Look at those. And they're very heavy. Should we try to put it up?
Yes, let's do it.
Yeah. Shall we start with the suits? Ta-da! Oh my god, you look hot, man! HTH flight attendant! Look at me! I really look like, yeah. We have emergency exits on the front, side, and on the back.
That's exactly.
We were really not sure how to put those scarves on. I mean, they don't look bad. Okay, yours is like...
I'm sorry if I cannot do it.
But
Nobody teach me how to.
I look cuter in the camera than what I do in real life. Cause like, see the skirt? It's like classy and very long. But it's definitely better designed than at my previous job. Definitely better. That one was just horrible. It was like without this, I look like a waitress. Flight attendant to waitress. Oh my goodness.
Wait, you know what we need?
Yeah, waitress version is cute too. I mean, I'm gonna rock this outfit, right?
Probably.
I mean, the size is nice. I like it, like. Not too
Okay, they came here to measure your size.
big. Yeah, I mean, they did a decent job. Like, I feel cute in this. I thought it would be worse. I'm just really not used to very long skirts. But I mean, I gotta look classy, so. Okay, shall we give a shot to the kitchen outfits?
Yes.
1, 2, 3. Whoa! Halloween party! Gonna cook some bread for people.
The hat is literally...
You look like Italian master chef.
No, that is so racist. No.
I mean,
Everything is huge.
this thing makes it better. I have a waist.
Yeah.
So I can have something like this. And the most essential part. And the hat is actually not bad. Yeah, guys, I mean, they asked for big panties, so my pants are big.
Yes.
It's like size 40, but it feels also like very spacey, like
It's comfortable.
Yeah. To walk in those.
I can move. It's better than the other one. The other one, you're like...
Yeah. You gotta stand there and be like... but yeah, guys, thank you for being here. We'll try to upload new videos for you guys to see what HTH life middle of Corona times look like. And I hope we can get it up to somehow like nice level. And let us know if you want us to record anything else, anything you're curious about, maybe a Q&A session. I'll make sure to post frequently. So, see you guys
Bye.
later.